Let me introduce myself. My name is Salsabila Putri Ramdhani. I'm from class 10-6. I will retell a short clip from a video entitled Making Healthy Choice Eating Out. Before eating out, it is better to check the menu first so you can choose healthier food. If you are with children, let them choose their meals, but keep supervising them. Do not hesitate to ask about the ingredients used in the food. Choose low-fat meals, add more vegetables, and ask for sauce or cheese to be served on the side to avoid excess. Select smaller portions and avoid fatty cut of meat. Limit high-calorie drink and alcohol. If you want dessert, it is better to share it with a friend or choose a drink such as tea. Eating at home with friends can also be a healthier option because you can control the menu. Thank you for your attention. Sorry if there are any mistakes. Bye bye. Choose low-fat meals. Choose. Choose.